or to, validate you or give you what you want. You know, you do have some good memories with this person, but I feel like this was like a bittersweet encounter. Okay, this could be with divine feminine energy coming out in a reverse. This could be the divine masculine that left this bittersweet feeling in your spirit. Yes, I am doing well. Thanks for asking. This person, I feel like this person was in a negative space mentally. Okay. They may have been going through some negative time. They could have been experiencing some type of issues regarding their finances, and it caused you and this person to clash or caused this person to turn away